everyone, Anat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a one-sheet interactive mini album. It's really easy. You can follow the template to make it. So we're going to have a 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock. This is very important, and we're going to cut it in half. So we'll have two pieces measuring 12 by 6. Now we're going to score the first piece at 2 and 7 inches. And we need a double-sided cardstock because both sides are visible, so you'll need that. Then we're going to fold them to the same direction. You pick which pattern you want to be on the inside and what you want to be on the outside. Of course, you can always change it later before you glue everything. So this is the outside of the album. The inside of the album, we are going to score at 4 1/4 and 9. So the first piece was 2 and 7, and this piece is 4 1/4 and 9. And we're going to fold this piece in an accordion shape or a Z shape. So one will be folded towards the inside and the other one towards the outside. And of course, you can always change it later. So we're going to attach this little flap on the right excuse me, to the right side of the mini album. So we want to create a contrast between the two colors. That's why I said if the colors don't contrast, then you can change the direction. So we're going to just punch out a little half circle so we will know it's a pocket there. And also on the other side, because we're going to have another pocket on that side as well. So we're going to have two pockets from this paper, and then this flap on the left is also going to be attached as a pocket, so we're going to punch a half circle here too. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to glue everything, and basically it's really easy to make. So first we're going to apply glue to the right flap here, only on the up part, the top part, and the bottom part, because we want the side to be open because we need to create a pocket. So only apply glue to the top and the bottom, very close to the edge, and then you attach this piece while it's aligned, of course, with the top and the bottom and with the fold line, so you'll be able to close it like this. So you have one pocket glued. Make sure everything is straight, and then we're going to glue the inside pocket. Again, apply glue to the top and the bottom only, so the side stays open. So we're going to attach that. So this is basically a page. One side is going to be a pocket, and the other side is free to add a photo, journaling, whatever you want. And for the third pocket, again, apply glue to the top and the bottom only, and close. So basically now your mini album is completely done. You have 3 pockets, and you have room to tuck things under there inside the pockets, and also you have room to attach photos if you want. Isn't that cool? So this is kind of flat when it's empty, but then when you start filling with photos and things, it can be a little bit bulky. So I want to add a ribbon to, first let me show you the pockets. So these are the 3 pockets. Isn't that cool? So I want to add a ribbon so it will be easier to close and keep closed. See, you can add photos here and here and here. All those places can be for photos. So I want to add a ribbon, and I want to secure it to the mini album. So what I'm going to do is wrap it around like this and then tie it, and then simply attach it to the front with a square of paper with an embellishment. So I'm just tying the ribbon, and I'm just going to take a piece of cardstock. It can be an embellishment, a sticker, a cutout, whatever you want, and I'm just going to attach it to the front of my mini album, and that will secure the ribbon, so when you open it, it will not fall. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. And this is the one sheet interactive mini album. Really hope you liked it. It's really easy. It can be a brag book. You can tuck money or gift cards under it. It's basically a multi-purpose one sheet paper project that I really like. So I really hope you liked it too. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.